Welcome to this lesson on commission. Commission is a method of earning income where your pay is determined by a percentage of what you sell. The more you sell, the more money you make. Straight commission is based only on your sales. So if you don't sell anything, then you don't make any money. Fixed salary plus commission has a set amount of money that you receive plus any amount earned through commission. In graduated commission, the percentage you earn varies with the amount you sell. First, we'll have a look at straight commission. Bill works as a car salesman and earns 1.5% commission on all sales. 1 month his sales were $300,000. Determine his pay. I always like to start my questions with words to help me stay organized. So commission amount equals the percentage multiplied by the sales. Now let's fill in the appropriate numbers. 0.015 multiplied by 300,000. Notice that the percentage was written in its decimal form. An easy way to remember how to convert the percent to its decimal equivalent is to move the decimal to the left 2 places. Multiply them together to get an income of $4,500. On to our next example. In this example, Sheila will earn a set amount of money plus commission. This is great if you have a slow sales month because you are still guaranteed some money. Sheila sells computers and earns $1,300 per month plus 2% commission on sales. 1 month she sold $35,000 worth of product. Determine her pay. Again, I always like to write it out in words first, so gross pay equals fixed salary plus commission. Now fill in the appropriate numbers. 1,300 is her fixed pay, and 0.02 times 35,000 represents 2% of her sales. Multiply the 0.02 by 35,000 first to get 700 because according to order of operations we must multiply before we add. Now add 1,300 to 700 to get the final answer of 2,000. The last type we'll talk about is graduated commission. Remember, this is where the percent amount changes according to how much was sold. Matt is a realtor and earns 2.5% on the first $100,000 of a sale of a home and 3% on any amount over $100,000. Determine his pay if he sold a property for $475,000. What we need to find is the amount he earns at 2.5% and the amount he earns at 3%. He earns 2.5% on the first $100,000. This is represented by 0.025 times 100,000. The 3% commission amount is found by multiplying 0.03 by what's left over after subtracting $100,000 from the total amount sold. This amount is $375,000. Multiply 0.025 by 100,000 and 0.03 by 375,000 to get 2,500 plus 11,500 and just add them together to get the final answer. Thanks for watching.